Leah Barron, one of the founding partners at Brown Barron.
And I'm Brian Brown, the other founding partner at Brown Barron, and we're a law firm that specializes in medical malpractice, nursing home abuse and neglect, and birth injury cases. And today we're going to talk to you about how long it takes to resolve your case.
That's right. So many clients, when they first call us, want to know, how long will this process take? And there's no one perfect answer to that, but there's some general guidelines that we can give you to help you understand this. So when people first call us, the first step that we have to do after getting the initial paperwork is to request their medical records. And as you can imagine, sometimes that process can be a little bit difficult. Sometimes we make an original request to the hospital, their nursing home, and then they don't send us a complete file. So then we have to go back and forth until we have all the records that we need. That whole process of obtaining medical records and then doing a preliminary review with our attorneys here, it can take up to 6 months sometimes. And then after that, it may take another 6 months for us to do our full review, to work with experts, and to get a case into suit if we decide that we're going to file the case. Then we're at the mercy of the courts and the court scheduling order. And it can depend on what jurisdiction you're in, so what county in Maryland you're in, or whether or not you're in D.C., because we handle cases throughout Maryland and in Washington, D.C., but those scheduling orders can be up to 2 years. So it can be that if we file your case today, the trial date may not be until 2 years from today. Now, the majority of our cases do end up settling before they go to trial. So they may settle well before that 2-year period comes to an end, but sometimes they will settle right before the trial date. And sometimes, of course, we will go to trial. So that entire process can take up to 2 years. And then for those cases that we do end up settling, once we get the release and all the paperwork finalized for the settlement, it's usually 30 days until the checks are issued and we're able to give that compensation to the families. Again, sometimes there's some details and complications with that paperwork, but typically once we have the final release agreed to and everyone's signed off, then it's about 30 days from that until people receive their compensation.
That's right. So if you have questions about this topic or about nursing home, medical malpractice, and birth injury cases in general, please feel free to reach out to us. You can give us a call, you can check out our website, or you can subscribe and like this YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching this video.